This is how we started, and this is how we finished. Hi, this is Russ from ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. Today we're down in Litha at Red Hawk Ranch, and we're finishing up a two-car garage with baseboards. So this job was a full grinding, full chip, fill some expansion joints for a seamless surface, polyaspartic top coat. This color is Nightfall. So this floor was in pretty good shape when we got here, just minimal repairs. You know, mostly just cleaning up where the baseboards went, a little bit of cleanup along the lead-in edge, but otherwise in very good shape. Job looks great. Thanks for watching.
ProTech Epoxy Floors, Newport Richey, Florida. We professionally install beauty and durability. ProTech serves both residential and commercial customers in Pasco, Hernando, Hillsborough and Pinellas counties. Please call or text 727-916-2314 to discuss your project. We look forward to being of service. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, or subscribe.